Building a Swiftlet house? The design is everything. Here's how to create the perfect home for them. The key is our specialized partition design. This dual wall system creates the ideal temperature and sound insulation Swiftlets love. Strategically placed throughout are our high-quality tweeters. They broadcast authentic Swiftlet chirps to attract and guide them inside. Powered by solar energy, the entire system is efficient and environmentally friendly, ensuring 24/7 operation. Result: a thriving Swiftlet colony. The right design and technology make all the difference.